the gem of Stirling Lake. This lovely pool and canal front home is impeccable. Spacious living areas off the open updated kitchen adds to the charm. Split bedroom floor plan creates privacy for the master suite with oversized additional bedrooms. Large bonus room off the foyer entrance can be used perfectly as a den or office area. Dining room overlooking the beautiful pool and patio area, bringing nature right into the home. Screened-in patio is complete with summer kitchen and built-in grill. Gorgeous custom wood deck and gazebo transforms the backyard to a private oasis to escape from the world, featuring a stunning koi pond with running fountain. Wonderful neighborhood conveniently located close to shops, restaurants and schools.